Hey guys, Teresa here. So I am quickly going to show you how to easily clean your sterling silver and silverware with products that you most likely have at home. So my reason for wanting to do this is because I do have some jewelry that's really tarnished. Now these were spoons that were made into nice little rings. And of course my favorite choker. Can't really see that, but it's not looking too shabby. So the first things that you're going to need is a glass dish or bowl. You're going to need some baking soda and some good old aluminum foil, shiny side up, just like so. I know you don't need instructions to actually line a plate. And you know me, I like to just get with it. So baking soda goes down. Jewelry or silver goes in. Look how bad those are. I'm excited. This I'll most likely have to hold on to. Next, you're just going to take some boiling water. You can be real liberal with the baking soda. People kind of give measurements and stuff, but you really don't, because then they actually put more in to get it to activate even more, which I'm going to do because I'm impatient.
So sweet, so crispy. Nobody makes breakfast as good as women's new home style Frisco 6. Nobody. Nope. Keep talking. I should probably stop.
I can already see the difference. I'm going to leave it for like 10 minutes and I'll be back, just because I know that these are just super bad. Looking so much better, but I want them perfect. While I'm doing it, I figured I would throw in my other favorite necklace.
Okay, have you heard the phrase yellow-bellied? I only know it from watermelon, not yellow-bellied, but I've never heard yellow-bellied.
Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. And that already looks so much better, doesn't it? Oh, yes.
The LG Watchtower. Redefine laundry in half the space.
This is not a drill. For a limited time at Domino's, get 20% off everything at menu price when you order online. Pizza, 20% off.
Can't really tell with the chain.
Anything that's not pizza, yes, you know the drill. It's because it's not.
Oh yeah, now you can actually see some shine to that. Beautiful. Well, there you go. Once you do your jewelry, then just wash it off. Make sure that you get everything off. Dry it or just let it air dry and sit out. But I'm going to go take care of that and put these away. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I need to get to bed. So, namaste everybody. I hope this has helped you.
We'll drive you happy at Carvana.
We have a really good life in Chicago. He's just going to see his cousins. Even you left Mississippi, Mama. Most of us would not know who Emmett Till was if it weren't for Davy. Maybe Emmett's black suit is how he'd like to be.
Alright, bye guys. Hope this helps.